Stop disgracing Nigeria's judiciary system before international communities. Human rights lawyer Femi Falana tells Buhari, AGF Abubakar Malami says, "You have no case against the IPOB leader. Obey the court orders and restore peace in Nigeria. Stop this division." Femi Falana reacts as Nigerian court declines to enter further charges against IPOB leader Nnamdi Kanu, pending Supreme Court's rulings on bail. Justice Binta Nyako said the court lacks jurisdiction to entertain any further charge against Nnamdi Kanu in view of judgment of the Court of Appeal, which was in favor of Nnamdi Kanu. Well, what can one say again? That these people, they have made Nigeria a laughing stock. And this is what you get when you continue to employ people based on sentiments. Now my brother, now my in-law, you employ them. They know nothing about what they are doing. How can one say an AGF is actually doing what it's doing right now? Anywhere when they go, they just push them. They push them, go this side and go that side. Like what I always say, that the mistakes he made, because he is desperate, he wants to get Nnamdi Kanu at any cost, he can't make and they overdo things. He don't come out for lying. He can't do things. This one now can't be like they run a personal race. He just they pursue Nnamdi Kanu personally, not that na government affair at all. And that is the truth. They are actually disgracing Nigerian judiciary outside there. We have turned to a laughing stock. This is just too much. The Federal High Court in Abuja today refused to entertain any further charge against the detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu, pending the Supreme Court's ruling on his bail. Justice Binta Nyako said the court lacks the jurisdiction to entertain any further charge against Kanu in view of the judgment of Court of Appeal, which was in favor of Nnamdi Kanu. This was stated in a statement made available to Sahara reporters on Monday by IPOB's lead counsel, Sir Ifeanyi Ejiofor Esquire. He noted that the court ruled that it lacks jurisdiction to continue to sit on Kanu's case because of its earlier judgment on his bail. The statement reads, "The court, per His Lordship Honorable Justice Binta Nyako, is in agreement with us that it lacks the jurisdiction to entertain further charge against Onyendo Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in view of the landmark judgment of the Court of Appeal." The matter was consequently adjourned since die pending the outcome of the appeal at the Supreme Court. We are winning now. Supreme Court, here we come. No going back on Onyendo's freedom. Our appeal to set aside the orders staying the execution of Onyendo's judgment will be fixed for hearing any moment from now. So with this, the human rights lawyer said that the Nigerian government is disgracing Nigeria judiciary system out there, that the international community are now laughing Nigeria. He said they should stop this and release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu at once. Sahara reporters had also reported how the appeal court ruled in October that the extraordinary rendition of Kanu from Kenya was illegal and therefore ordered that he should be discharged and acquitted. The court was ruling in the appeal filed by Kanu, challenging the criminal charges against him. Kanu had been rearranged before a federal high court on amended 15 counts bordering on treasonable felony preferred against him by the Nigerian government. However, on April 8, Justice Binta Nyako struck out 8 of the 15 counts, while ruling on the preliminary objection seeking to quash the charges. the judge said count 6, count 7, count 8, count 9, count 10, count 11, 12, and 14 had not disclosed any offense against the defendant, Nnamdi Kanu. The charges that were struck out below are follows. Count 6, that Nnamdi Kanu made broadcasts to attack officers of the Nigerian police force. Count 7 said that he made broadcasts in which he incited members of the public to hurt and attack officers of the Nigerian police force. Count 8 said he made broadcasts in which he directed members of the IPOB to manufacture bombs. Count 9 said, I beg your pardon, he made broadcasts on devised dates in furtherance of terrorism against the Nigerian state and with intent to destabilize the fundamental political and economic structures of Nigeria. Incited members of the public to stop the Anambra governorship election. Count 10, incited members of the public to destroy public facilities. Count 11, he threatened members of the public not to come out on the 31st May 2021. Count 12, he made broadcasts with the intention to incite members of the public to stage a violent revolution in furtherance of acts of terrorism. Count 14, he directed members of the public to destroy the public transport system in Lagos, resulting in major economic loss to the governor. Inyako had said that counts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, and 15 showed some allegations anyway, which the defendant, Nnamdi Kanu, had to answer. So guys, this is it. Nigerians are calling out the federal government to obey the court orders and stop disgracing Nigeria outside there. Dropping it here, guys. Kindly share your thoughts below the comment section. Thank you for always stopping by.